And first step is on disarm report to the CMS. Get into the setting. Okay, input the password 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The setting is 4. Confirm. 8. 1. Confirm. Okay, setting saved. Let's go to the second. GSM setting. GSM setting. When you make the GSM setting, we have to make the GSM enable and the GSM priority. 8 also is 8 and 1. 1 is GSM enable. Okay, confirm. Okay, 2. Confirm. Okay, 1. Confirm. Okay, setting saved. The status step. Advanced setting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to complete. First is GPRS enable. Nine. GPRS enabled. 0, 1, 1. Confirm. Okay. Severe port support. 0, 2. And our severe port is 07974. 07974. Oh. 03, sorry. 03. 07974. Okay. IP address setting is 02. Okay, our IP address is 113.146.146. Confirm. Okay, user ID setting is 04. And our user ID is 130527555. Okay. And the password setting. Password is 05 and 888888. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we are just waiting. Waiting for the CMS logo is not fresh. Then it means the report to the CMS. Okay, we can check this now. This logo. Open the CMS software. User ID 13052755 and password 88234567 IP similar to this IP address 113.105.146.146. Let me check this IP. Similar. Okay. Get into the CMS. Okay, let me check this point. You can check this logo is not fresh now. Then it means the CMS okay now. Okay, let me check this point. You can find your user logo in this place. Your new user ID is 13052755. Yes. Okay, now you can just testing if the panel can successful to disarm or on the panel. Okay. Oh, how? Okay, we can do some operations. Just on the system. Home on.
哎，我那个小数我怎么消？数据呢标数量。
Okay, just a home on the system. You can check.
系统留守。
我看那个网络。
Okay, you can check this logo is the system home now because you doing the some operation in the CMS. Okay, you can check this point. You got alarm records there. Is Louis your mobile phone number, your telephone number? Okay, they can do more operations.
做 APP 的话，他妈的，你一会儿苹果系统不行，一会儿他妈的。
This on, okay.
苹果这些什么那专门
This on.
的系统啊。
按了吗？
系统测防。
Yes, this on success now. You can check.
不用装软件了。
Okay, you can use the CMS platform just to get more records there.
网页里。
Is this on the records?
你这个东西你肯定。
System this on. So sorry, it's Chinese. And the Zoom number, time, ID code, contact also Louis, your telephone number.